So you decided that you want to learn how you can make money with Systemeio affiliate program. In this video, I'm going to review the Systemeio affiliate program, the commissions, the cookies, and also like how you can register and what do I think about the program. And then I'm going to show you and explain to you some of the strategies that you can actually use to win and to actually earn commission with Systemeio. My name is Marcus and I specialize on affiliates. I love creating videos like these. And if you want to get the best tools that I use on affiliate marketing to earn more money, you would find the link down below in the description. And also I have a free masterclass there that I teach my top 3 strategies that I use daily to make money on the internet. Now you can see right here Systemeio, what we can learn about it and how it works. So you're gonna earn 50% lifetime commission every time your affiliate link is used to purchase Systemeio subscription or course. And this is like mind-blowing. I know that Thinkific and other lot of like those course creations, even like ClickFunnels, they are offering also the recurring revenue. But always when I see the recurring revenue, I'm like, God damn, that's a good sign. Only because like, you know the one thing that I don't really like, and I'm going to be honest as an affiliate marketer, when the companies that are offering only 1 year recurring commission or 2 year and that's it. And I'm like, God damn, why you can't just offer like forever? Yeah, but it's just funny. So lifetime commission, really high, really perfect. I read somewhere that you're gonna have 1 year of cookies, and that's like also mind-blowing because many times companies have like 20-30 days, and anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a Systemeio customer. That's also really great. So yeah, free plan. And now another thing that I really like is that you're gonna click here, start promoting now on the Systemeio, and you can easily see what you can actually promote. Now, when we look on the pricing plan and how it works, the one thing that I really like is that you can offer it completely for free. So there isn't that, okay, that you need to get a free trial with also your card added there. No, you see Systemeio, you can easily have a free account here. And that's, in my opinion, it's quite amazing. So that's really good. And then when you look here, you're gonna have also plenty of things that you can sell. How to write a copy that sells, promote this course and pull up your leads in our funnel, financial freedom for the rest of, and all of that. Business coach, turn 1 hour of work a week into 2,000 a month. And you can easily click here, start promoting now. And then you're gonna go further. So that's something you can do. And you can see commission earned here. And you can read about it, of how it works. And then you can like sell it. And that's like really perfect. Now, what are some strategies that you can actually use? Like, let's get to the strategies. Okay, you can use these for your email list. You can review it on YouTube and then like promote it for others. And when we go further, when we look on the features, you want to actually focus on the features. So you can do reviews. You can create comparison videos. So I can go here, Systemeio tutorial. Okay. This guy, okay, this is a little bit like dominated, so I wouldn't actually recommend doing the tutorial, because like that's a all review. Okay, that's something you can do. Now you can also go versus and WordPress, ClickFunnels. So comparison, you can write about it. And you see plenty of comparisons here that you can do. ConvertKit. And you see there are like plenty of like ideas. So these are the main ideas. Then what you can do is to not focus especially on specialized or Systemeio, but you can just run advertisements or blog posts or YouTube videos directly for like for the features it offers. So let's say how to build your own funnel, how to create email campaign, how to create a website. So you see how to have a webinar, how to build an online course for someone, and then you would like offer Systemeio. So that's something you can do. And it's gonna have like plenty of ideas that you can do and how we can actually use it. So as you can see, it's like really worth it to actually join it. And I really like the most two things and three things I like is like, okay, the cookies, then also another thing that I like is how many offers they have and the 50% commission. So if you can have email list, you can easily just recommend this product, but definitely like open them, play around with them. And you will see how to make 100 per day with your email list. 6K in the weeks, email marketing made easy. So that's something you can also refer for people. And that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to share with you guys. Like this is just like my opinion on it. It's a good affiliate program. Definitely look on also for the competitors. When you come here to Systemeio versus, check on the competitors, what kind of affiliate programs they have and how you can even target those things, and you can start working on stuff. Or like Kartra here. But always, when you come here to Kartra, you want to also check the popularity of the tool. You see the trend data for Kartra, right? Or I can come here and have like Kajabi or Systemeio. And I always look on the popularity, how much it's rising and how many people are actually using it. And as I mentioned, I really like when the companies is like creating and making the marketing for their own tool. In that way, it's like pretty perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this at least in some way, this video. Definitely check the tools that I use to make money online, and possibly you will like it. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you're gonna have a great day, and see ya and goodbye.